Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert connector arrow in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, go to a blank page. Then go to the tools section and we can see here many tools. Now I am select the shapes drop down menu and we can see here many shapes. Now we want to insert connector arrow, select this arrow tool and draw the arrow to this page. Now we can see we insert a arrow and we can see this arrow is connector. You can change the arrow side, chevron, burden, box, etc. Otherwise you can change the left side arrow. You can add another arrow. Draw another arrow to this page and rotate this 90 degrees. Then select the move tool and make it middle. You can rotate this using the transform menu. Now we can see we insert connector arrow very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.